All right, guys. So I'm here for the Sinners premiere, and honestly, I am so excited because I know Ryan Coogler and Michael B. Jordan are gonna be here, and honestly, like this means a lot to me. It's a full circle moment for me because when I first started out Summertime, I was able to interview Miss Letitia Wright, who played Shuri in the Black Panther series. When I watched the movie, I was like, wow. Like how it was from Black Panther to Wakanda Forever. Yeah. You are my favorite character. Thank you. You're welcome. So, looking back on the movies Black Panther and Wakanda Forever, the fact that I'll be able to cover this and hopefully be able to meet Michael B. Jordan, like that's just going to be fulfilled for me. And one of my friends said I'm going to meet Michael B. Jordan. So let's see if that happens. I kind of owe it to them if I do. Ryan Coogler is an American filmmaker and director who is known for his movie series Black Panther, Creed, and his new movie Sinners, starring Michael B. Jordan.
What's going on, guys? It's Ryan Coogler, and I'm right on time for Summertime.
How you doing today?
I'm doing well. I'm excited to show the movie to everybody.
Yes, I am too.
How you doing?
I'm doing amazing. Now, can I ask you, when you were creating the movie, did it take any emotional toll on you to create it versus how you created Black Panther?
They always are emotional whenever you're making a movie. From my smallest ones to my larger ones, you kind of always spent by the time you get to the end of it. By the time you get to this point, but that's when you know you're telling something that matters to you, and hopefully people feel your passion for it through the screen.
Yes. I live in Ghana, West Africa. Do you ever see yourself being able to create a movie in Ghana?
And that would be awesome. I got a close friend who did his first feature in Ghana. His name is Bliss Bazwuli.
Oh, I know Bliss.
Bliss the ambassador. Yeah. He made the barrier of Kojo there, and he was telling me all about it. And so I do hope to get out there one day. Maybe I can collab with Bliss.
After I was fortunate enough to interview one cast member from Black Panther, Miss Letitia Wright, I was fortunate enough to interview another. Michael B. Jordan is an American actor who's been acting for over 25 years and is widely known for his roles in Black Panther, Creed, Fantastic Four, Fahrenheit 451, and his new movie Sinners. Did you have any emotional tolls while you were playing a double character on Sinners versus playing just one character as a long-lost cousin of Black Panther?
It was super tough. It was super challenging. At the same time, it pushed me to the next level. I think Ryan wanted to challenge me a lot on this one. He believed in me, and since we've been working so long together, we had a shorthand and the communication style that allowed me to trust the process. I worked with a dialect coach. We changed the way they walk, the way the cadence and they speak, their mannerisms, the costume, the wardrobe, the music. It all played a part in like building these two characters. Yeah. So it was it was a lot. Great question.
That's amazing. Thank you. I finally got to watch the movie Sinners, and it was incredible. For everybody that's going to the theaters to watch it, I hope you enjoy yourself because it was amazing with its twists and turns. I can go on and on and on. But after the movie, I finally got to chat with some people. Lenny S is the Senior Vice President of Rock Nation, who has a career for over 25 years focusing on hip-hop artists and culture. All right, Mr. Lenny S, how you doing today?
How you doing? I'm good. How you doing?
I'm doing amazing. Now, what was your opinion on Sinners?
Amazing. I'm like still tripping that Mike was able to play two different characters. Like, incredible. Like, so good. And I jumped a few times. I ain't gonna lie to you.
What was the scariest moment for you?
Man, out the rip, man, my brother. Out the rip, like, just like when the vampire kind of like jumped up. So yeah, like all those kind of parts. I love horror movies, but they still freak me out.
Yes.
Yeah.
I live in Ghana, West Africa. Have you been there before?
I have. I want to go back though. I went like 15 years ago. I want to go back and experience it. Everybody's telling me to go during New Year's, which is like a really good,
Because that's during Dirty December, and like it's a huge party celebration. Can I teach you 2 words from Ghana?
Of course.
Akwaba, which means welcome.
Akwaba.
Etisen, which means how are you?
Say it again.
Etisen, which means how are you?
Etisen.
Perfect. So you can use those 2 words.
Yes, will do.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, take care.
Danielle Brooks is an American actress, best known for her roles in the Netflix's TV series Orange is the New Black and for the adaptation of The Color Purple directed by Mr. Blitz the Ambassador. Hey guys, you're right on time for summertime. Today I'm here with Miss Danielle Brooks. How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you, love?
I'm doing amazing, and I want to say thank you so much for taking time to speak to me. I watched The New Color Purple, and like watching you as a character is just amazing.
Thank you so much.
Now I want to ask you,
Talk to me.
what was your favorite part of Sinners, and how was the whole experience for you?
I'm still digesting it. I think it's all of the subtext, all the stuff that's just not talked about that we catch is the stuff I like. I mean, the acting was so good, direction, the music, everything was so good. I can't wait to see it again.
Yes, I can too. Now I live in Ghana, West Africa. Have you ever been there before?
I have not, but I cannot wait to go.
Yes, you should definitely. Because you work with Blitz too, hopefully he's able to take you to Ghana.
No, he was supposed to, but I'm gonna make my way.
All right. Can I teach you 2 words from there?
Okay.
Akwaba, which means welcome.
Akwaba.
Perfect. Medasi, which means thank you.
Madasi. That is a very important word.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Or Medasi, rather.
Madasi to you.
Thank you.
You have a good night.
You too. Jamie Hector is an American actor, best known for his roles in the HBO series The Wire and Amazon's Bosch.
Ryan Coogler is phenomenal, and the entire cast as well. Shout out to Omar Miller, Michael B. Jordan, Wumi. It's a phenomenal job.
Yes, it was. Now, what was your favorite part of the movie?
When they got a chance to really kill the Klansmen, but even the incorporation of all the great music and blending in the time periods with the music, and and just the story. The storyline was amazing.
Yes.
I just loved it. Yeah.
Now I live in Ghana, West Africa. Do you ever see yourself going over there?
West Africa?
Yes.
Absolutely. The motherland. I got to touch down, grab some soil.
Yep.
Yeah.
So because I live in Ghana, I'm going to teach you 2 words.
Okay.
Akwaba, which means welcome.
Akwaba, welcome.
Medasi, which means thank you.
Madasi.
So whenever you go to Ghana, you can use it.
Well, let me teach you 2 words. Merci and Creole.
I know that. Merci means thank you, right?
Yes, it does. Yes, it is. And well, it's gonna be more than 2 words, but tout bagay bien.
Say it again.
Tout bagay bien.
Tout bagay bien.
Is everything good?
Everything good. All right, I'm gonna keep that in mind. Thank you.
You're
I
welcome.
appreciate
More than
that.
welcome.
Or merci rather. Or
Merci. And Wadaki?
Medasi.
Medasi.
Perfect.
Indeed.
Thank you.
All right, cool.
Until next
Take care,
time on Summertime.
One love.
Thank you. All right, guys. I just finished watching the whole premiere movie for Sinners, and I got to interview some of the people that actually watched the Sinners movie, and it was amazing for me. Honestly, I enjoyed the movie. I had a few scares here or there, and this one time where I nearly screamed, but it was a really amazing movie. I can't wait to see it actually come out to the whole public, and it was a really nice experience. Until next time on Summertime.